you like this video, make sure to click that notification bell so you get a notification anytime I upload a new video. Hope you enjoy.
Hey, what's up there YouTube? How's it going? So I'm back again with another pen tapping beats tutorial. And in this tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you 4 beginner pen tapping beats that are very simple to learn, but can also sound very awesome. And by the way, if you don't already know how to pen tap, then I would suggest going down in the description and clicking the link to my How to Pen Tap tutorial for beginners, so you can learn the basics of pen tapping and then come back here and learn some beginner beats to start off with. And how this tutorial is going to go down today, or how I'm going to teach you these beats, is I'm going to put numbers up on the screen in a certain order or pattern. And each one of those numbers is going to represent a different drum sound. And when you piece all those numbers together, it forms the full pen tapping beat. So now, I'm going to start this off by telling you which drum sound each number represents. Number 1 is the bass drum sound, which goes like. Number 2 is the hi-hat with your stronger or dominant hand, and this goes like. Number 3 is the snare or clap sound, which goes like. And number 4 is the hi-hat with your weaker or non-dominant hand, and this goes like. Alright, so now I'm going to put the first beat up on the screen. Alright, so this first beat should sound a little something like. And basically how I'm going to help you get the hang of this beat is I'm first going to start off by taking this beat and slowing it down for you. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to break the beat up into 2 different parts so you can practice the first part of the beat, get the hang of that real well, practice the second part of the beat, get the hang of that real well, and then piece them both together. You know, it's good if you're taking it one step at a time. Alright, so if I take this beat and slow it down for you, it should sound a little something like. And then, if I take this beat and I break it up into 2 different parts for you, the first part should sound a little something like. And then the second part should sound like. And then once you get the hang of this beat really well, you can just take it and loop it and repeat it and do it as many times as you want, like. Just like that. And now that I've taught you this beat, I'm going to now put the second beat of the day up on the screen. Alright, so this second beat should sound a little something like. And if I take this beat and I slow it down for you, it should sound a little something like. And if I take this beat and I break it down into 2 different parts, the first part should sound a little something like. And then the second part should sound a little something like. And then with this beat as well, once you get the hang of it really well, you can also take it and loop it and repeat it and do it as many times as you want, like. Just like that. And now I'm going to put the third beat of the day up on the screen. Alright, so this beat should sound a little something like. Just like that. And if I take this beat and I slow it down for you, it should sound a little something like. And if I take this beat and I break it down into two different parts, the first part should sound like... And then the second part should sound like... And when you get the hang of this beat really well, you can loop it and repeat it and do it at whatever speed you want, like... Just like that. And now I'm going to put the final beat of the day up on the screen. Alright, so this beat goes like... Just like that. And if I take this beat and I slow it down for you, it should sound like... And if I take this beat and I break it down into two different parts, the first part should sound like... And then the second part should sound like... And finally, when you get the hang of this beat, you can do the same thing you did with the other three. Take it, loop it, repeat it, do it at whatever speed you want, do whatever you want with it, like... Just like that. Alright, so that's pretty much it for today, and I really hope that this tutorial was helpful. And if you have any questions or you're confused on anything, then leave your question down in the comments and I'll try to help you out the best I can. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a like, subscribe, follow my Instagram called KevinYouTube, or click that notification bell so you're notified anytime I make a new video. And that's it for today, so peace!